as the lights of Diwali illuminate our homes and hearts. We at DNB Interiors want to extend our warmest wishes to you and your loved ones. May this festival of lights bring you joy, prosperity, and new beginnings. This Diwali, let us help you transform your home into a heaven of comfort and style. Our wide selection of furniture is designed to suit every taste and budget, ensuring that you find the perfect pieces to enhance your living spaces. We understand that not everyone wants to replace their entire furniture collection. That's why we also offer a unique facelift service, giving your old wardrobes and kitchens a fresh look with our custom-made shutters. This Diwali, let DNB Interiors be a part of your celebrations. We are committed to helping you create a home that reflects your unique style and personality. Happy Diwali! Brighten your Diwali with DNB Interiors. Sone pe Suhaga. You can always know more about us on YouTube, DNB Interiors.